Yeah, so hey everybody, so I just got off work and I'm waiting for the bus right now to go home. I have my work boots on, styling. I'm just kidding. It's like awkward. I'm at the bus stop. I just wanted to let y'all know, for the ones who are wondering if I'm still with my ex, I'm not. I'm actually single. Like I am like single as fuck. Like for real. And at the end, like I like it. It feels good. Like I don't have to worry about being at a certain time, at a certain place. I don't have anyone saying, "Oh, where you at? What time you get off work?" and stuff. Like I don't have to worry about any of that extra stuff. I'm just doing me. Yeah. Um, I hope you guys enjoyed that dance video. Like ever since I did it, like I wanna dance some more. Like I don't know. Like it's something that I've been thinking about for like the past 2 days. So yeah. I'm so sore. I'm sore. Okay, so a few questions that I want to respond to. I reached out through Instagram, so questions that I got asked was um, why I started drinking, and it's actually I really liked it. Um, if it's celebration to celebrate, that's what I would turn to. And then if it was like I would get upset or overwhelmed, it was my comfort go-to. And then like if just for always an excuse that I would make to drink, whether it was good or bad excuse. Or boredom also was like a big one. And then how it affected me was, or in my life, was like ruined relationships with my family. Alcohol definitely played a role in my family not trusting me. Yeah. The reason why I decided to go to rehab was because it got to the point where I guess it was being mature, more mature, growing up, and finally, coming to my senses and being like, I can't live like this anymore. I have to be reliable, and I have to take control of my life. I have to be there for my daughters, and I need to step up, definitely step up, because if I don't, and who no one else is gonna do it for me. Only I can do it for myself. Another thing, whenever I did drink, it was always either beer or Mike's Hard Lemonades. Mike's Hard Lemonades, the tall boys, that was like the main thing. So the reason why I went to rehab, it was only for alcohol. It wasn't for any other drugs, nothing like that. What made me also want to stop was because I really want to look out for my health. I really want to live healthy and, make sure that I am here on this earth for my daughters mainly, and they deserve that. They deserve to have you know, warm family environment. They deserve to have their mommy sober, healthy with them. Definitely. Another thing, um, let me see. I think that those were the questions. Um, well, it's just self-love is something that I'm really working on. I've been working on that for I would say like about a few weeks already. I'm definitely practicing that. Um, so that I can think of, those were all the questions that I had on my Instagram, in my DMs. And then another thing, let me see. I think that's it. Well, let me know. Oh yeah, definitely let me know through either Instagram, or let me know in the comments. Um, if you have any other questions, I can do another Q&A, definitely. And that way you guys get to know me better. And, you know, in Cindy's Head TV. Yep. Oh, before I forget, I actually started my own TikTok. So I know. I've been fighting it for a long time. And I've been fighting it for a really long time, because I had something against it where, when a long time ago, I had I had posted a video, and then they took it down. TikTok took down my video, and then ever since then I was so mad at them. And but okay, I got over it. Get over it. So yeah, I'll put the info. So yeah, follow me on TikTok. And then let me see. Well, y'all know my Instagram, Anthony's Head 27. And yeah, so let me know definitely, if y'all have any other questions. I'm open to feedback. So yeah. So for now, drop a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And click on that bell to receive notifications when I upload videos. Set it to all. I love you all, and yeah, just keep your head up. Bye.